Hi everyone. So today we're going to draw a pine cone. So first we're going to start out with the pine cone stem. So that's going to be at the bottom. It's kind of like a little rectangle. And then from that rectangle we're going to draw a triangle shape on top of that. And then we're going to curve up and then just like that. And then we're going to do that on the other side. Like that. Then we're going to draw two smaller triangles just coming out the top of this triangle. So like that. And then we're going to draw some more of these side, not sure if they're petals, I'm not really sure what they're called on a pine cone. We're going to draw a couple of those off the side like that. And then we're going to draw another triangle like that. And then we're going to kind of make these a little bit smaller as we go up. So it's kind of like curving in. Like that. And then we're going to draw another triangle. Make these a little bit smaller. Like that. And another triangle. And make these come in just a little bit more. Like that. And then we're going to draw one more triangle at the top, and then two little triangles, and then one final triangle. It's like that. And then we're just going to put like a little, kind of like a little smile. Like, I mean, kind of looks like a little smile, but just a little design on the inside to make it look more like a pine cone. All right, so next we're going to use our black marker and go ahead and outline everything. Last triangle at the top. We'll do all those little smileys in the center. Or more like kind of like V's or a little smile. Okay, and next we're going to go ahead and, of course, we're going to erase all that pencil. All right, and then we'll go ahead and color our pine cone. So I'm going to use a brown color for that. Most pine cones you see are brown, so our stem. And there we go. And that's how you draw a pine cone. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to see more. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.